Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Expensify for category rules and tax-ready reports, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Expensify website. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up option and create a new account. Once logged in, locate the settings option in the menu. Click on settings to access your account preferences. Find and select the Policies tab under the Settings menu. Click on the policy you want to configure for category rules and tax-ready reports. In the Policy settings, navigate to the Rules section. Here, you can create or modify category rules to classify your expenses based on your preferences. To add a new rule, click on the Add Rule button. Fill in the required details for the new category rule, including the name and description. Select the relevant categories from the drop-down menu to associate with your rule. Save the changes once you have completed filling in the details. Next, go to the Reports section under the Policy settings. Check the options available for generating tax-ready reports. Ensure that your expense categories align with the tax guidelines relevant to your region. If adjustments are needed, revisit the Rules section to modify your category settings accordingly. Once satisfied with your rules and report settings, return to the main dashboard. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, create a test report. This will help you confirm that your category rules and tax-ready options are correctly applied. Review the generated report for accuracy in categorizations and tax readiness. If any issues arise, revisit the settings to make necessary changes. With the setup complete, you are now ready to effectively manage your expenses using Expensify. Your account is now configured for optimal tracking and reporting for tax purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.